So how do you open a live location on the iPhone? Let's explain that. And now if you're new to this channel, make sure you are subscribed to Foxtecc so you don't miss anything important in the future. So if you want to see your live location on a map, you need to open up a map app of your choice. So this might be the Apple Maps, Google Maps, or even other, but these are the most popular options. Now, then you need to locate the location button within the app, right? So you can just click there and it will locate and show where you happen to be at the moment on a map. The only issue with this is that the application doesn't have access to your location. And if that is the case, you can open up the Settings app and locate the Privacy and Security section. There, you can see location services, which has to be turned on, generally speaking, for your entire iPhone. But even if you have it turned on, it's possible that individual apps like the Google Maps or Apple Maps do not have access to your location. So in such situation, just locate the app right here and make sure that it has access to your location either while using the app or always, depending on your preference. But either way, if you have it set to these options, you can open up the map application again, and it will then be able to show you where you happen to be on the map specifically at the moment using your location services of the iPhone. So it is in fact pretty simple to do, but if you have any other questions or something specific that you are struggling with, let me know about that below. It's really important to me to know what's really going on. I publish a lot of tutorials, so it's possible that I'm going to cover it as well. But that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next tutorials.